Hello, hard hats, and welcome back to Construction Simulator. What are we doing today? Well, I really don't have an idea because we finished the Geodome last episode. So let's jump on into jobs, shall we? And of course, campaign. We are done with science and technologies. We did all 3 jobs there. So now it's down to economy and spacecraft. Let's go ahead and select that. Building trust, vehicle assembly building. Well, let's jump into there. Make sure it's on medium difficulty, which it is. Let's go ahead and select it and accept it. And of course, we'll have a meeting and then we'll get started. It is almost evening time, so we'll probably almost jump right to early morning hours. Where am I going? Where are we going for this? Where are we meeting the job site for? I have no idea. Yeah, vehicle assembly station meeting. Where, oh where? Down here. Alright, so it's not too far. Wait, that general direction. Is it here? There we go. Right around the corner. Alright, let's see how her attitude's going to be at the beginning.
Unfortunately, we missed some milestones thanks to our previous contractor backing out. I'll be frank, because you need to know what's at stake. To say that our investors are not particularly happy was an understatement. That's why I need the vehicle assembly building first, so they'll know we have the project under control. I'm sorry that I have to ask you for such a large construction right at the beginning, but unfortunately, our investors lack a bit of patience at the moment. I must also ask you to keep the details to yourself. My team is already working overtime, and I don't want them to be under any more stress because of circumstances beyond their control.
I mean, I'm building a big building, so keep it to myself. Okay. Let's see. Let's get the job site kind of down here a little bit. Let's see if we can put the crane down right now. I mean, it's over here, so we should be able to, right? Yeah, crane area. Let's go ahead and we got our own crane, so we can do that. All right, so that's all set up. Pallet of metal elements. Well, you know what? Let's just go to the vehicle, or not the vehicle, but the building material building here. Let's go ahead and enter. And let's go ahead and sort. No, that's the wrong button. Let's try that again. Filter by job. Let's just go ahead and grab everything, shall we? I think that's the way I'm going to start doing things. That way I don't have to keep coming back here. And it's always going to be at the job site. Oh, no, no, no. Ah, son of a... All right, let me... Oh, we're starting off good, aren't we? All right, let's try that again. Y to remove. Wait, did it remove? There we go. Now I'm hitting the right buttons. Yeah, checkout. I think we are good to go. And deliver to the construction site for 5,000 credits. We can do that. Perfect. So we need 4 pallets. Where's the loading zone here? Where's the building material being... Oh, I see. It's over there. Gotcha. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the crane. Takes a second to get that on down, but let's see. 4 pallets of metal elements. I didn't see how much we're getting paid to do the whole contract, but I think we got enough in the bank now. I'm not going to be too worried about it. 1.7 million currently is where we stand. I'm not sure if I grabbed the right material. Did I? I did. Not sure I prefer that camera angle. We'll try to get something a little bit more to the side there. That's good. The crane is kind of a little bit of a distance further away from the building materials compared to the last job site. But we really don't have much material here, honestly. We'll probably get these delivered and then fast forward to the morning hours. But this, I just wanted to get something kind of started here. That way when we wake up in the morning, we can probably get to it. I'm guessing if we got to dig for the foundation like we have the other jobs, I may do a little bit of it, but then skip it. Or, you know what, I may just skip it completely because I don't get no benefits from it. Those jobs seem to take a long time, hours on end. And for some reason, those jobs, compared to the other jobs that we do, or stages of the job, digging out the foundations, they seem so long compared to the other stages. Seems like it's off a little bit. Actually, more than off a little bit, off a lot. When the sun goes down on the spaceport map, it goes down, but I think it goes down also just as fast on the USA map, and I would assume same thing can be said for the European map. So even though we've talked to the foreman, we didn't get no percentage of the job done. Sometimes we do. Sometimes it's like 10, 8%, somewhere around there. But nothing this time. Yeah, excavate foundation. Do I want to do that? That looks like a big, big job. But let's go ahead and let's sleep on it here until the morning. All right, and this is a big foundation area. As much as I would like to just do a little bit of it, but I can see it's probably going to take me a long time to do if I were to do it completely. I think it's best that we just go in and let's go ahead and details, foundation excavation. We're going to go ahead and skip that task. Get it all done there. You know what? That may not have been that bad. Maybe I should have done some of it because it's not as deep as the other ones have been. I thought this was going to be a lot deeper than that. Well, I've already skipped it, so yeah, if you wanted to see it, I apologize, but those seem to take quite a long time here, and I do want to get some of this done. Oh no, we got to do some drilling. A lot of drilling. Holy smokes, I got to do some drilling. So hopefully I learned after doing some before. Do I want to buy the drill or do I want to lease it? Well, you know what? We got the money. Let's go ahead down to the vehicle dealer. Let's go ahead and enter. Now let's see. Which one I come across first is probably the one I'll just go ahead and buy. As I keep looking for it. I could just go to the categories, but I thought I was going to run into it really quick. There we go. Rotary drilling. LeBaire. Let's see, how much is it? Okay. Yeah, he's buying it. And for sometimes, every time I buy something or lease something in here, the first time I log in, even though I'm hitting the A button, it takes a second. There we go. So 225 is what actually paid for it. Let's go on down here and we'll enter that. All right, so I think I may have learned a little bit on the drill. Hopefully I can remember exactly what I need to do here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just 10 of them? Is that all I have to do? We will start over here, I guess. Or maybe I should get up in the crane and at least set up a couple of these. I'll set up all 4 of these. How about that? Let's go over to the crane. And we'll get 4 of them set up and do 4 at a time here. I think I got confused which way I was facing. Happens often in my life. Alright, so we want to grab the one with the yellow stripe on it first. And you know what? I guess I'll just do these one at a time because after I get one set... Although this one's not that far, so let's go ahead and just grab this one. I mean, I am going to concentrate on one column at a time. Alright. I'm pretty sure I can't set both of them up at the same time, putting one on top of the other. And I hope I can get the excavator close enough without driving into the foundational area itself. Yeah, this camera angle's not working for me. Nope, that's not what I want either. Oh, that's right. I got to change driving mode. There we go. That works a little bit better. Or at least not in driving mode, but... Yeah. Alright, I'm going to put it all the way down first. Then I will connect. Put it down, and at least we got the blue marker for the next one to go in. Move this to the side. Trying to remember how to shake it. There we go. Alright, now I got to run back over. And I get to do this 10 times. Well, this whole episode may be me putting in the pipes. Or maybe, yeah, we'll see how it goes here. I don't mind doing the job, but everyone wants to see almost every little step that I do. Which is fine. But if it takes too long, maybe I'll just have a half-hour episode. And then I'll do the rest off cam. And that way when we start the second episode, this job will be done. Okay, so... There we go. I mean, it's not quite in there. Should I get that better? That looks better. There we go. Now connect. And push her down. I don't know if I'm at 58%. I don't know if that's the highest I can be. There we go. Now we're digging out some dirt. 68. I think it's supposed to get up to 75%. Now we're at 74. I don't think I'm going to get any more than that. Takes a second to get the drill back up. And then eventually that will come off. Okay, let me push this way to the side here. Shake that off. We're going to leave that here for a moment. Let's just make sure that is completely done. Let me go grab... Where is it? There it is. Let's go ahead and enter that. And we'll bring that over to the job site. The Vehicle Assembly Building. How about if I drive in here myself? The excavator will be on the outside and the concrete pump can be on the inside. And if I park it right here, I should be able to reach these four. He says you'll be able to reach these four. Am I going to reach that? Oh wait, I should be able to reach that. Wait a minute. Am I going to be able to reach that? Can't tell if I'm over it or not. Let's turn the pouring on there. I think we are just shy of reaching that. Well, surprise, surprise. Let me go ahead and reset that. And I can see the comments coming already. If you got the other pump, they would reach. Yeah, probably would. Change that again. But that's going to be true with any machine. Every machine has its pros and cons. It's just a matter of just what you're looking for to have on your job site. Okay, so do I not have that down far enough? Alright, so it's not going to count that? Okay. I mean, it is what it is. Let me go ahead and turn... Nope. You flicked on me there. I want you on that one. Turn the pouring off completely. Okay, let's see if I can drill out a little bit more. Let me connect the pipe. Let's see if I get out any more dirt. Yeah, so see, the first stage is completely grayed out. The second stage is not grayed out yet. Well, I don't know. I mean, I'm at 74%. I don't know how I'm going to get it any more than that. I'm not getting any more dirt out. The drill is down as far as it can go. Now disconnect the pipe, see if that helps me getting any dirt out, and nothing. Alright, let's go over to the other one and see if I can do anything with that over there. So what I'm looking at on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the fourth one down. We're at 74%. The first stage is grayed out, so I think that means it's complete. The second stage is not grayed out. So, yeah. Not off to a good start. Nope, let's turn this way. It's because of that being in the way. Alright, we'll go around it, I guess. I don't want to skip another step. Oh, back up. Let's change the camera angle here. That should be almost lined up. Am I too close? I might be too close. Alright, now it's showing as green, so let's put this one... it was green. This one's not going as smooth as the first one did. Alright, so this is column number 5. Alright, so that one grayed out again. But the drilling we haven't gotten down yet, right? Because that's not grayed out. Let's dig out that dirt. Alright, the dirt part is grayed out, so we got enough of the dirt out for stage 1. So let's go ahead and get that. Get that out. And of course, I just realized I'm hitting the crane, and I probably just covered up where I gotta grab it. Yeah, I'm glad she kind of said keep this job to myself, because the way it's going, yeah, I don't want people to know I'm working on the job site either. Okay, so that's good. The pipe did go to the side a bit there. Let me get the crane out of the way now. We'll get it over here. And you know what? We'll try setting up a second one, or a third one, I should say. All right, let me just put that there. Let's see if we can get one of these columns at least 100% done. Actually, I think I gotta enter the bear from over here. I'm glad I bought this and not leased it, because I may be here for weeks on end trying to get this in. So I can't... oh, there we go. Now we can swing it over. Make sure that is up all the way. Let's not connect until we're down all the way. Now we'll connect. Alright, so I got that one down all the way because that grayed out. I got the drill now going down. Okay, we're getting some dirt. Alright, so I got that one to 75%. Let's raise it on up here. Shake that off. Dirt is out of it. Alright, I'm assuming the concrete will go on this one. Okay. Nope. Stop flicking around. Just get on the right column that I want to pour and pour. And we got concrete going into a pillar. Hooray. I'm going to go back over to column 4 because it's not. I don't think it's the drilling. I think it's the pipe not being down all the way. So, we'll have to head back over there and get that done. Perfect. Turn that pouring off. Turn that pouring off. By the time I get to the 10th column, I'll be a pro at this, and then I'll forget later on exactly how to do it. So, I mean, the steps I know how to do. It's just a procedure and exactly how to get it 100%. Nope, that's wrong. That's wrong. Okay, how close are we here? Okay, not close enough. I think there is a way to lean this pillar so I don't have to keep, going forward and backwards a little bit, but... Okay, let me make sure the drill is up all the way so we get as far down as we possibly can. Okay, so why am I not being able to swivel this left and right? %. Now that is a little frustrating. All right, let me run the drill. I don't think I have to drill it more dirt, although it's telling me I need to. Let's run the drill down and see if I get any dirt. Well, I'm going to just try it one more time connecting the drill pipe to see if I can push it down again. Get it down as far as it can go onto the pipe, then connect. Now I'm going to release it. Well, let's move on to the third one. This is going great. Already a half hour in, and I've gotten one of the 10 pipes. So yeah, I'm probably going to do a lot of this off camera. But I want to get it done because I don't get paid unless I actually do it myself. So like when we dug out or had other workers, if you will, dig out the foundation for us, we don't get paid for that section. Alright, and change modes here. I think I'm where I need to be. Okay, drills all the way up. Let's see how we do on this one here. Alright. Now connect. And let's see. Okay, the pipe is all the way in. And keep drilling. Now we got all the dirt. Okay, lift up the drill. And let's go ahead and we'll move this over here. And we'll give it a little bit of shivvy shake here. Get the dirt off it. Back into the crane. Whoa, that crane's moving awfully fast. All right, I'm going to move this over to here. And I'll set up this one at least. And then move this to the side. All right, let's see if I can get this one in. Kind of frustrating, the first one is it's giving me a little bit of a problem. Again, I'm going to go all the way down as far as I can before I connect. Now I'm going to connect. Let's see how we do here. %, 74%. Oh no, we got another one only going to 74%. I wonder if it's because maybe I'm elevated. Okay, let me disconnect from the pipe itself and we'll lift up the drill and clean this out. Let me get actually down into the foundation area. Maybe I'm too high on the ground and I can't push that pipe down far enough. It doesn't seem like that's a thing because I got the first pipe down far enough. You know, we got to give it a shot here. Let's actually get down at the same level. Watch out for that dirt pile. And if this does a trick, then maybe go back to the first column that we did and see if I can get that one in the rest of the way. And if it does, then I think I'm all set. Then I'll have to do the other 7 columns in between episodes. Alright, change driving mode, or out of driving mode. Yep. Back it up a little bit. I did it once. There is a way to make this thing tilt forward and backwards to get it more straight, but yeah, I don't remember what keys it was. And I tried on the Xbox controller and I forgot which one it was. You know what? I gotta lift up the drill. The drill's not all the way up. Okay, lower that. Okay, connect. And look at that, 75%. Yep, we're all set. So that's what I need to do. I think I was just too high. So let's go ahead and we'll go back to that first one. Unfortunately, though, I got to go around the concrete pump. which all of a sudden I can't seem to place the concrete pump anywhere where I need it to be. Can I climb out of here? You think with an excavator I should be able to climb up that little bit of a dirt bank, but I'm going to guess I won't be able to. Come on. There she goes. Be the excavator. Be the all that you can be. And they wanted this job done lickety-split? I don't think so. I need to back up a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Drill is up. Now let's see what happens here. So we're back on the fourth column. Connect it. And just like that, 75%. Just like that. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to reset the... Oh, wait a minute. If I go to drive-in mode, reset, I'll just get it off the work site for now. Okay, let's come over to here. Okay, turn on that pouring. Probably going to run out of concrete. But now we got ourselves in motion. Now I think I got it all squared away. So at the rate I'm going, I'll have 3 pillars done in about 40 minutes. But first 10 minutes is jibber-jabbering with a foreman. So it's going to take me over an hour to do the other 7? I hope not. Is it going to complete that all the way before I technically run out? Yes, we are good. Let's go ahead and reset that. I realize it's a little bit dark now, but... bear with me. We're just going to fill up the last one here. You know what? Wait a minute. I got to change this up. Because now, with the excavator needing to be down in this, probably be wise to bring the concrete pump up here. Don't know if I'm over it or not. Let's go ahead and refill that. Turn that pouring on. Turn that pouring on. And am I getting it? Sounds like it's going in now. There it was. It was too high. My title of the day, too high. The excavator for drilling the pipe was too high, and then pouring the concrete, it was too high. But I would say not a bad first day. We are 5% done on the building. So at that rate, it'll take 20 episodes. Yeah, I don't think so. Let me go ahead and turn that pouring off. Turn that pouring off. And yeah, we are all set here. Let's go ahead and take a coffee break. I will go in the morning hours with you. And we'll walk the drill back in here. But numbers 4, 5, and 6 are done. And now I'm getting my handle back on this drill. Let's walk it on down in. So I'll probably get, let's see, I got 3 done, so I'll get 6 more done in between episodes. And then when we start next episode, we'll do the last one together. And then we can move forward. You gonna let me just drop on down, or you're gonna get stuck? Sounds good. Yeah, but now I got a little bit of a rhythm going. I think the other 6 I'll do off camera go rather quickly. Shouldn't take me an hour, maybe a half an hour, something like that. Who knows? But I'll get it done. Nope. Camera angle there. It looks like I gotta go forward a little bit. I would like to find out which controls will angle that forward and backwards. I kind of forgot which ones. I probably should go in the help menu and it probably would tell me. I did it once. I'm like, oh yeah. And now I kind of forgot which buttons it was to help me do that. So for now, I'll just go ahead and... No, it's not what I want. Drive mode. That's probably good. There we go. Now make sure the drill is all the way up. Then lower into the pipe. Until it's down, nice and solid. Then connect to the pipe. Start lowering the drill to get some dirt out of there. Alright, the pipe is in, and we got all the dirt that we need to get out. Bring this over to the side. Do a little shimmy shake. I actually want to get one of these done. One more of these done here in this episode. Without having any pauses or trying to figure out exactly what's going on here. Just to make sure it's all going to go well. At least we'll get one whole side done complete together. Okay, raise that up, raise that up. Swing it over to the side here. Now we connect. Okay, the pipe is all the way in. Perfect. Drill is going down. And we got all the dirt. There, now I look like a professional contractor once again. Well, maybe not once again. Well, at least doing that, I look like a professional contractor. Get around the pipe there, or the drill. We are filling up the 4th column. That sure does take a lot of concrete. And we're done with that column. Perfect. There, 4 out of 10 done. So now we'll just have to get 5 done in between episodes, and when we start next episode, we'll be finishing up the last one. And I think we'll just park this right here. And we are all set to go. So 4 down, 6 to go, 5 between episodes, and 1 to start next episode, like I said. And then we'll see how we get along after that. Yeah, I expect we'll be done more than 10% at the end of next episode. I sure do hope so, or else this is going to be a long project, which would not be too bad. The one thing I did not really pay attention to, if I go to jobs, this should pay me almost 1.4 million, but it's going to be a little bit less than that. Of course, I got to take out the materials I pay for, and of course, I did skip the job of excavating out the topsoil here, which probably could have taken me a long time in itself because, I mean, that is actually pretty darn deep. Maybe a foot or two, somewhere around there, or so, about maybe a little bit more than half a meter. Maybe it is a full meter that they took out. And that'll be a lot of dirt removal. But anyways, that's what we're going to have to wrap it up for today, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the episode. I do appreciate you watching as always, and I'll catch you again right here in Construction Simulator. But until then, have a good one.